to add effect on CapCut. In this video guys, I'll be explaining to you how you can add effects, different effects on CapCut. For example, you can see this Gmail effect. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and let me show you how you can do this, or how you can add effects to your videos. So let's split this. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be splitting this. Take this out, take this out as well. So we have this clip guys, and we would like to add a bit of an effects to it. So look below your screen, your editing tool, just the tool showing below your editing app. Click on where it says effects. When you click on where it says effects, go ahead and click on, so if it's body effect you want, click on body effect. So CapCut automatically selects it, as you can see guys. I don't know if you can see this guys. So we have tons of effects to use. There are plenty of effects. These are trending effects. So we have the superpower section. As you can see guys, these are different effects to use. So let's use this. I love this. So you can go ahead and click on video effect if you want a video effect. So this is a video effect. So guys, I know I'm doing too much, but I'm trying to explain to you how you can add effects to your video. So let's also use this. I'm going to be deleting this. Don't need this. So you can see guys, I've shown you how to add video effect and how to add body effect. So I'll show you how to add picture effect as well. So let's go ahead and delete this CapCut thing. Click on plus. Let's go ahead and add a picture so I can explain. So click on add. So let's adjust this to, let's adjust this clip to fit our screen. So we're done adjusting. So click on where it says effect. Click on where it says photo effect. This is new. It's CapCut. So as you can see guys, you can click on this and it's generating the effect for us. So you have to wait a bit for it to finish. So you can see guys, this is another effect. So this is how to add video effects, body effects, and then picture effects. You can see it's all self-explanatory. So I can go ahead and show you how to do the Gmail thing as well. Just click on overlay. When you click on overlay, click on where it says add overlay. When you click on add overlay, let's look for the Gmail. So we'll click on this Gmail, click on add. When you click on add, just adjust it to where you want it. Let's adjust it. Let's also adjust the clip. So unlike you clicking effects here, you won't be clicking effects. So guys, so let me show you how you can do this. So you can go ahead and click on where it says animation, animate, click on where it says combo, and you look for a nice combo that will really fit. So let's use this. It's too much. Let's adjust it here and then. So I hope you guys have understand how to add effects. It's very simple. Just click on effects, click on the clip, or adjust your clip to where you want the effects to appear, and then click on effects to add effect. I hope this video is helpful enough. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support the channel. See you on the next one.